What's up, y'all? I thought I'd do another video real quick. Shout out to my boy Jaden Jones. Some other niggas. Shout out to y'all. Tell me how you like this. Let's go. Whoa. I thought it'd be time I proved to y'all that I'm the best around here. Competition to me is not even a word. Yo, that's not being cocky. Okay, I'm rolling up that tree. I got these badass bitches, man, they looking for one knee, cause they just going down like a fucking submarine. I'll never fuck one hoe. Gotta get between two hoes, that's flow. Yeah, you know I got more money than you could ever imagine. More game than Madden, I'm rolling up that stupid tree. Half the time I'm drunk, man, I'm puffing on that good shit, but it's smelling like a skunk. Whoa, goddamn, I run this. You can say that I'm jogging, and I swear that I hit the pussy and I beat it up like I'm flogging in that shit and I be murking. Y'all niggas like you surfing, cause y'all white boys and you hating. Young nigga hotter than Satan. Flow so crazy. Getting head cause I'm lazy. Sitting on the couch, she using them out. Oh my god, get it wet in the drops up, they healing. Oh my god, I'm so appealing. I show you niggas something new. You niggas saying it's so revealing, cause it's so new. Use your bitch like a tissue. Gotta give her back. Coming on her back. No doubt that it's so fucking true. I beat that pussy up, that virgin pussy's no longer new, and I just get it, I get it. I'm so EG, I don't got a twin. I meant to say OG, but I got these hoes on one knee, cause I do it big like tsunami. Eat it up, punani. Oh my god, I love it. Y'all niggas just hating, cause I'm running in my city. I got these badass bitches tryna fuck me, show me titties, but I got a girl, I don't wanna see that shit no longer. I sit her on my dick and now my penis getting stronger, cause I lift her up and dick her down. I swear that she makes those sounds, screaming loud. Oh my god, you did it now, Sean. What you doing? Oh my god, you're fucking cool. I swear that I wish I was like you. I walk around my school tryna be you, tryna act like you was. I swear you are my cuz. Get the fuck up out my bus, nigga. I'm going on tour soon, before next June. I swear I fork your bitch and then I gotta get her spoon. I eat it up and eat it out. Oh my god, I do it now. Oh my god, this shit is cloudy, looking like a fucking cloud. Talking about my room. Album dropping June, and I swear I do it bigger. You niggas get a room, cause you ain't never for fucking. You niggas just keep looking. I swear I do it big. I keep going and I keep running, and I swear I do it big. I swear I do them all. I swear I show her penis, but I never show her balls, cause I put it and it disappears. I just do it and I have no fear. I just kill this shit, and I swear that you niggas wanna hear all of my tracks. I swear I'm coming back. I swear I leave these bitches screaming, then they have heart attacks, and I'm running. A nigga young and Cypher, man, I swear she wears a diaper, cause I beat it up like hyper, and nah, niggas, I'm playing. I'm just saying stupid stuff now. Hey, but tell me how you like that video. Thanks. Peace, nigga. Deuces.